Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another paper crafting video. Today I have a really fun paper craft for you. This is my Circus layered paper craft. How fun is that? It's so colorful. You've got the fun elephant and the seal right there. You got the really cool circus tent there in the middle, and of course the ringleader or the ringmaster there at the top. Really neat. This paper craft is really simple to put together, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. Here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account on my website, you can go ahead and click sign up. You'll be brought to a page with our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. You can go ahead and view the different options and pick which membership is right for you. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'm going to go ahead and enter in my credentials and log into the website. And now we're logged into the website. To access the file library, you can head to the Files tab in the main navigation bar. Now this particular project is free, so it will be located in the free files as well as the file library. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 355. That is the Circus layered paper craft. Go ahead and click on the image, download the file to your computer, make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Resize the design. And now our project has been brought into our canvas. I have sized this project to fit within the cutting dimensions of the 12 by 12 cutting mat. So it is a little bit less than 11.5 inches tall. If you're going to be using this project for a card or for a different purpose, you might want to resize the design. To do that, go ahead and change the sizing options right here. Make sure to leave the proportions locked so that you don't distort the design at all. One thing that I will mention, if you're going to make this design smaller, this will have some intricate cuts. So just be prepared for that before you start your project. Like using a brayer to adhere the cardstock to the mat, making sure that your blade is clean, making sure that your mat is sticky enough, and that you're using the appropriate pressure. Since my project is sized appropriately, I'm going to go ahead and click Make It. And you'll see the different mats for this project. Go ahead and click Continue. I'm going to be using a variety of medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have all the pieces cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. I know there are a lot of pieces here. There's 10 layers in total. I do have a layering guide within the download that will help you visualize how to put this all together. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start gluing all the layers together, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all finished. And there is our Circus layered paper craft. Isn't that so cool? Wasn't this one easy? I know there are a lot of layers, but it is definitely worth it when everything comes together. I hope that you like this. If you make it, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next paper crafting video. Bye!